I take the opportunity to welcome our Director, Sir Dr. Ajay Kumar, profound faculty members, and the participants. So, before we begin with today's event, let us all seek the blessings of Goddess Saraswati. I would request all to please join us in the prayer and pay tribute to Mother Saraswati.
या कुन्देन्दुतुषारहार धवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रामृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतं शङ्करं प्रभृतिभिः देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती
Thank you all. May the divine grace of God be with us today and always and keep us all safe in this pandemic. Education gives wings to fly. We at GLBIMR feel delighted to organize this webinar. The institute was established in 2007 under the visionary guidance of Sri Pankaj Agarwalji, Vice Chairman GLBIMR. The institute embarked on the journey to reinvent management education in NCR. And in a record time of 13 years, GLBIMR has demonstrated remarkable growth and has received various awards and accolades. And the institute is flourishing every day under stewardship of Director Dr. Ajay Kumar sir.
GLBIMR Finance Club aim to facilitate an all-rounder development of the student in the field of finance and keep them abreast with the latest happening in the said domain. It provides an opportunity to the student to hone their finance-based talent and inspire achieve the best with an unwavering spirit of enthusiasm, commitment, innovation, and fun by nurturing the creativity of each individual while recognizing their talents. The club also conduct online as well as on-campus event to challenge and ignite the finance mind of the millennials. Recently, the club has also launched its bi-monthly magazine Evolve. The competition FinQuiz is another initiative by Finance Club under the GLBIMR with the very objective is to enhance student intellectual ability and quick thinking, to provide a practice platform to business related terms and information, to take an event enhance student confidence to perform on a virtual platform. With these objectives, all the participants are hereby encouraged to perform with the high competitive spirit, confidence, and enthusiasm. If your action inspire others to dream more, learn more, and to do more, you are a true leader. One such person is our very own director, Sir, Dr. Ajay Kumar, Sir. Dr. Ajay Kumar Sir is a strategic thinker, academician with a revolutionary spirit. He carries 3 years of experience in academics, research, training, and consultancy. Sir has successfully organized more than 200 national and international seminars and conferences on diverse issues of management practices. With these words, I would now like to invite Dr. Ajay Kumar Sir for welcome address. Please, sir.
Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, I would like to congratulate the Finance Club, the number crunchers, for organizing this online quiz competition, FinQuiz. I believe that all these students, whosoever are going to participate in the quiz competition on different topics, I believe, they will be having the opportunity to showcase their retrieval of the knowledge and retention of those which are required at the time of such competition. All of you must be knowing that quizzes are very important for not only for being a leader or for being a winner, but it also clearly tests the psychological parameter of a person of the level of retrieval of the knowledge or learning, which remains very, very impromptu, you can say. I mean, the moment it is being put, you are required to give the answer, and the answers given impromptu naturally remains only when you are very active mentally. It clearly identifies gaps in knowledge too. It quizzes cause students to learn more from next study episode also. Essentially, such tests reduce forgetting, which makes the next related study area or which makes the further deliberation on that particular area more productive. Quizzes produce better organization of knowledge by helping the brain organize material in clusters to allow better retrieval. I mean, most important part of the quizzes remains the retrieval of the knowledge in a systematic way, and those who are able to retrieve the knowledge, the information in better way, they become winner. It facilitates not only retrieval of knowledge, but retrieval of material which were otherwise not tested in your class. So it's a metacognitive monitoring of the mind of these students, and definitely it is going to add value at a time when all of you are going to participate in placement activities. I would have wished that such programs would have taken place in the campus, but because of the pandemic and the limitations, we are trying our best to organize all such programs, though online, but with same spirit and in the same manner where participants can have proper judgment by our faculty members, and they can learn in a better way. Naturally, it would have been privilege. Again, I'm saying the same thing. It would have been a privilege if you would have been in the campus, and specifically, it becomes very important when you are in the second year and you are about to be completing your course, because examination is there. So examination is also there, and your placement is also going on immediately after placement. I wish that most of you or all of you should get placement or should get placed. So it will finally become off-campus only, because you will be coming to see the institute maybe in between for no dues, etc., or for final award of the degree. So all the best to all of you, and I believe that the entire team who are involved in the organizing this program must have minutely prepared the entire process. So my best wishes to them, my best wishes to the concerned faculty members also. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Your thoughts-provoking address set a perfect platform to take all learning coming to our ways.
Now I would like to start today's event, Fin Quiz. Quiz competition is a structured contest that provides students a platform to respond quickly, to the point, and exact responses of the asked questions. With these words, let's discover the confidence and desire to win.
We would like to thank our organizer, Dr. Anand Rai, Associate Professor, and Dr. Suchita Ma'am, Associate Professor. We are also thankful to our esteemed guest, Professor Atul Arora, sir, and Dr. Arvind Bhatt, sir. We are also thankful to our all to our all the coordinators of the finance club. Now it's time to get aware about the guidelines of the competition. Student can participate in a team of 2. The grand finale will consist of 3 rounds judged by faculty judges. Judgment of faculty judges will be final. Every correct response will score 2 marks. Video of both participants of each team member shall be on throughout the quiz. Question unanswered by the team will not be passed on. Participant need to raise hand on Zoom to answer the question. And in awards and recognition, winners will be facilitated with certificate of excellence. Apart from winners, certificate of participation will be given to the student who perform. Virtual gifts for the audience.
Now I would request Mr. Robin sir to kindly disable the chat. Ma'am, is it done?
No, I think Robin ji is there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, please.
ये आप इसको चैट को डिसेबल करना होगा.
Yeah, sure, sure. Yes. Just a moment. Chat. Yes, done.
Done.
I would also request all the team members to kindly rename their names, as I've mentioned earlier also.
नहीं, I think
That they have to rename
Robin
them.
जी शायद ये मेरा अभी जा रहा है मैसेज.
Please check in the security and there is a chat option. So you can put a cross on that chat. It is clicked
Chat
so
has
far.
been chat has been
Disabled.
off, ma'am.
Yes, sir. ठीक है.
ये मेरे इस पे तो आ रहा है. I am able to do
Sir,
that.
I think we are the host or co-host.
Yes.
That's why we are
Can
Okay.
see each other.
All right, ठीक है, ठीक है. That's
Right.
I would request all the participants to rename their names. And they all have to open their video also. All the participants need to do that. So now we would like to start the first round, that is MCQ round. This round has 15 teams and we have divided them in 5 groups consisting of 3 teams each. Each group will be asked 5 questions and whosoever will raise hand first will get the chance to answer the question. You will be getting 30 seconds only to answer that particular question. And you don't have to open your mic, you just have to raise the hand. If you will speak the answer, if you will say the answer, then you will be disqualified. You just have to raise the answer. And we will decide that who has raised his hand first.
So now get ready. Now the
Sir,
group
please share the slide.
Now the group 1 consists of 3 teams that are the squarers. It contains Mohit Gupta and Neelam Sharma. Team 2, unsettled accountants, Vishakha and Vaishnavi Gupta. Team 3, profit players, Pinky Pani and Gopesh Kumar.
Only these 3 teams have to answer. We will be displaying you the question and only these 3 teams have to respond. Mohit Gupta, Neelam Sharma, Vishakha Kanodia, Vaishnavi Gupta, Pinky Pani and Gopesh Kumar. So only these 3 teams are allowed to do that. Rest they don't have to do. Akbar, next slide. Next slide.
Can we start the quiz? If I
Yes.
click on the start button, then quiz will be start.
Okay. Wait a second. All teams are there. The
So
square.
firstly confirm that all are ready or
Squares,
not.
the squares, unsettled accounts, profit players.
All three teams are there.
Unsettled is there. Profit players, the square. Squares is yes, there. Akbar, start.
All are joined?
Yes, Akbar. Next slide, please.
Okay, fine.
A tradition of trust is the tagline of
Guys, fast, you have to raise your
One.
hand.
Oriental Bank, Bank of Commerce, Allahabad Bank, Bank of India, Bank of Maharashtra.
Mohit Gupta has raised his hand. You have to unmute yourself. Mohit,
Bank of India.
Bank of India.
it's a wrong answer.
Wrong answer.
Just a minute, मैं थोड़ा सा mic.
Janvi, you don't have to raise hand. Actually, these questions are only for the 3 teams that we have announced.
Its correct answer will be Allahabad Bank. Can I go for second questions?
Yes.
Janvi, you have to lower down your hand. Yes, next question. These 3 questions are for the squares, unsettled accounts, and profit players. Second question.
Just a minute, मुझे sound actually जा रही है. Chat got this.
Explain the second question, Akbar.
Okay. Now I'm going to second questions.
Yes.
We understand your work is tagline of HSBC, HDFC Bank, Indian Bank, IndusInd Bank.
Guys, you have to raise your hand. The squares, unsettled accounts, profit players. Team
The
profit.
Team profit players.
Team profit. Yes.
Was
Mute yourself. Gopesh Kumar.
Your HDFC Bank.
Correct.
So they got 2 points.
Next question, please.
Now I'm going for next question.
Yes.
These questions are also for the squares, unsettled accounts, and profit players.
profit player.
The squares, unsettled accounts, profit players.
Yeah, read the question also, Janvi.
बढ़ती का नाम जिंदगी is tagline of Federal Bank, City Union Bank, Axis Bank.
Unsettled accounts, raise hand.
Yes, team, you can give your response.
Mahindra Bank.
Kotak Mahindra Bank.
Kotak Mahindra Bank. It's a wrong answer. Its correct answer will be Axis Bank. Now I'm going for next question.
This question would be for Square's unsettled accounts, profit payers.
Okay. Now I'm going. Can I go for next question?
Yes, sure. Experience our expertise is tagline of Punjab and Sindh Bank, Syndicate Bank, State Bank of India, Yes Bank.
Okay, Squares, Mohit Gupta.
Square. Yes. Unmute yourself.
Mohit Gupta, you have to speak.
Yes, State Bank of India.
Where?
Akbar.
Sorry, ma'am.
What answer?
State
Yes,
Bank
sir.
of India.
State Bank of
State Bank. Wrong answer. Its answer will be Yes Bank.
Okay, so the last question for Square's unsettled accounts and profit players. This is the last question for them.
Can I go for next question?
Yes.
Honors Your Trust is tagline of UCO Bank, Union Bank of India, South India Bank, RBL Bank. Square.
Squares.
Square.
Union Bank of India.
Union Bank of India. Okay, fine. Let's see. Wrong answer. Its correct answer will be UCO Bank.
Okay, so now we move on to the next group. It consists of accountaholics, Jyoti Giri Aradhna, money mentors, Asim Zaidi, Rubal Sharma, man of genius, Rishabh Pandey, Akhilesh Yadav. Are you the accountaholics? Accountaholics, money mentors, and man of genius.
Accountaholic is there.
Man of genius,
They are also there.
money mentors.
They are also there. So these are the three teams who are playing in this group.
Guys,
Yes,
be ready. Question, please.
Actually, I think you have changed according to me. Okay,
Actually, some teams participated, that's why.
okay, fine.
These questions are for accountaholics, money mentors, and man of genius. You can start.
Okay,
play the questions.
can I go for question?
Yes,
Yeah.
sure.
Make it happen is the tagline of HSBC Bank, Royal Bank of Putney, DBS Bank, Citibank.
Money mentors have raised hand first. Asim Zaidi, you have to unmute yourself.
Royal Bank of Scotland.
Let's see what will be happening. Yeah, correct answer.
Okay, so the next question.
So, can I go for next question?
Yes. So now again, this is for accountaholics, money mentors, and man of genius.
The name you can bank upon is tagline of Punjab National Bank, Oriental Bank of Commerce, Karnataka Bank, Lakshmi Bank.
Man of genius has raised first. Man of genius, Akhilesh or Rishabh.
Oriental Bank of Commerce.
Let's see. Wrong answer. The answer will be Punjab National Bank. Okay, can I go for next question?
Yes.
World's local bank is tagline of HSBC,
Alcoholics.
Standard Chartered, Scotia Bank, and
Jyoti Giri has raised first.
Jyoti, you are unmuted. You can speak.
Time up.
So we can move on to the next question. This question will go blank because Jyoti was not able to speak in the given time.
Ma'am, can I show its answer?
Yes, you can show its answer.
Its answer will be HSBC.
Okay.
Now next question.
The bank that begins with U is tagline Union Bank of India, UCO Bank, United Bank of India, Scotia Bank.
United Bank of India.
Akhilesh, you have to first raise the hand. Then
I have raised the hand. I have raised the hand.
Akhilesh rose his hand and I unmuted him. Akhilesh, what is the answer?
Ma'am, United Bank of India.
Okay, let us see that if this is right or
Let's
wrong.
see. Right answer. Now, can I move for next question?
Yes.
This is the last question. Good people to grow with is tagline of
Man of Genius rose their hand first.
Man of Genius.
Ma'am,
Please.
Indian Overseas Bank. Ma'am, Indian Overseas Bank.
Okay, let's see. What will be the answer? Correct answer.
Okay, so now we move on to group 3. So it is the bankers, Janvi Singh Shishodia, Bank on it, Shrishti Gupta, Minakshi, Titan, Ravish Kumar Singh and Vijaya. The bankers, Bank on it, Titan. These 3 teams are there. The bankers, Bank on it, Titan.
Yeah, but are you moving this slide?
Yes, sir.
But this is a different team, right?
Yes.
Actually, sir,
Yes,
according to me, it will be.
Some students are in placement activity, so because of that, they are not present. So we are first completing with the teams who are present on this platform.
Yes.
So the bankers have to be ready, Bank on it and Titan. Titan is there or not? I guess Vijaya is there. And Shrishti Gupta.
Vijaya is there. Yes, Vijaya is there.
Yes, they are. Okay, so start.
Okay, can I go for question?
Yes.
Okay, fine. First questions.
I'm loving it is a tagline of
The bankers. Yes.
I'm McDonald's.
McDonald's.
Let's see what will be the answer. Correct answer. Can I move for next question?
Yes. Again, the question is for the bankers, bank on it and Titan.
Okay.
Bankers have raised hand first.
Yes.
Just do it. Is the tagline of Nike.
Ma'am, Nike.
Adidas.
They have responded.
Yes, ma'am, I've said Nike.
Let's see what will be the answer. Correct answer. Now, can I move for next question?
Yes, sure.
You have to lower down your hand.
Always low price is a tagline of Kmart, Walmart, always the Home Depot.
Ravish, Titan. Ravish, you have to unmute yourself. Ravish or Vijaya, you have to answer. Okay, so the next one is the bankers. They can answer. Bankers,
Unmute yourself first. Shalini, you have to unmute.
or Janvi or I guess this question.
She told that Walmart, right?
Walmart. Okay, let's see. Correct answer.
So now we move on to fourth question.
Okay.
For the bankers, bank on it and Titan. You have to lower down your hand first.
Zoom is a tagline of
Bank on it. Shrishti or Meenakshi? You have to unmute yourself. Meenakshi, Shrishti.
please unmute.
Srishti, unmute yourself.
That will change the question.
This question is, it will be 0 for all.
Okay.
You can click on the right answer.
Okay, its correct answer will be Mazda.
This question will be 0 for all. Now you have to, Akbar, wait. First, you have to lower down your hand.
Yes.
When we will show the question, then you have to raise hand. Shalini, you have to lower down your hand. You have to lower down your hand.
She said she can't unmute herself.
But she's raising her hand actually.
There's technical issue. Can someone please check what happened?
Ma'am, in last question as well, we raised the hand, but nobody gives us the opportunity and we are not able to unmute ourselves.
You rose your hand at the very first, you were the first one to raise hand?
Yes, ma'am. And I was even like on video chat, I was saying, look at me, but nobody, I
Okay.
know it was Mazda.
Okay, wait. Akbar, we have an
Okay,
extra question.
ma'am, I have extra questions.
Okay, so that question will be cancelled. What you can
right.
do is we will put a extra question. Okay, team bankers.
Okay. Yes, right, ma'am.
Money mentors, you have to lower down your hand. Asim Zaidi. Okay, so next question.
Okay. Can I move for next question?
Yes.
Okay, fine.
Well, bank on it has raised hand.
Yes, bank on it.
There are some things money can't buy. For everything else, there's dash. Bank on it. Unmute yourself.
I'm trying to unmute them. Yes, there is some technical glitch. Yes, now they are. You can speak.
Hello?
Bank on it. Bank on it. You can
Yes,
speak
ma'am.
now.
Ma'am, Mastercard.
Okay. Akbar, please tell us whether this is the right response.
Let's see, ma'am.
Yeah.
This is correct answer.
Oh, congratulations. Next question can be.
Okay.
Of you
Now
lower
next
down your
question
hand.
actually.
We can add more questions.
Yeah.
Yes.
As there. Firstly, you have to
Can I
lower
move for
down your
next
hand.
question?
Yes.
Can I move for next question?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, of course.
Gandhi Peace Prize for the Titan has raised first. Gandhi Peace Prize for the year 2000 was awarded to the former president of South Africa along with Titan. You have to unmute yourself. Ravish Kumar. Ravish.
Yes, I am unmuting him. Yes, you are unmuted. Please respond.
Satish Dhawan.
Satish Dhawan. Okay, let's see. This is the wrong response.
Okay. Its correct answer will be German Bank of Bangladesh. Now.
Okay, so now we will move on to the fourth group. That is the unbeatable, the unbeatable Varun Raj, Sandesh Vinay Raj, B Getters, Shivam Gautam, Rishabh Ranjan, Aggressive Mates, Rajveer Singh, and Neha Pandey. The three teams are the unbeatable, B Getters, Aggressive Mates. Aggressive Mates is there. Rajveer
I
is
think
there. B Getters is they have.
And raise your hand.
I was showing the question.
All the three teams are there?
The unbeatable and aggressive mates.
Aggressive mates are there. Unbeatable
is yes, ma'am.
Yes, they are also there.
And the getters have they are actually not there.
Okay, so they are not there in the platform. So we'll play with two
Rajbir
teams.
want to say something. Rajbir, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, Neha is not in the meeting, ma'am. She is giving interview, ma'am.
Okay, so you have another member in your team, Rajveer.
No, ma'am. I'll be giving in next round, ma'am.
But the guidelines is that it has to be a team of two.
Yes, ma'am. I'm having Neha, but he'll be joining after this round, ma'am. He's giving interview right now. She is giving interview.
No, it has to be a
I
team.
Ma'am, Neha is giving. Ma'am, Neha is giving interview. I'm having two teams. I'm having two members, Neha and me.
Ma'am, he is trying
But
to
Neha right now, Neha is
survive
giving interview. Ma'am,
Okay.
Neha is
Neha
giving
will come
interview,
after
so I request you to please allow me and Neha in next round, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Fifth round.
But they have to. But they have to respond in this round also, na? That
yes, that's
then
what
only
I'm
they
saying.
will.
That is what I'm saying. Wait a minute. We need to check with the judges and 1 minute, Rajveer. We may continue with the round. Okay. Akbar, unmute yourself.
So, ma'am, we can allow them.
Yes. Okay.
Ma'am, but B getters are not there. Shivam Gautam and Rishabh Ranjan. They have
Okay.
backed out actually
Right.
due to some
So-
reasons.
Right. No issues. So we have got two teams to play here.
The unbeatable and aggressive mates.
Okay, we can continue this round with two teams.
Ma'am, but aggressive mate one participants are not
It's
there.
okay. It's okay. It's okay, Charlie.
Neha
Judges-
will be there in the next
in the next round.
if they qualify this round.
Yes, and if she joins back, we will take.
Ma'am, we can do one more thing. Like we can invite other group.
Yes,
But
we can invite other group to continue this.
But actually,
Next
the
round, next round will be conducted.
But actually, the problem is in the some participants are not there.
Yes. So let us continue
that's
with these
why.
two teams.
Yes,
Okay.
we can continue.
Okay. Show the questions.
These are questions for the unbeatable and aggressive mates. So be
Yes.
ready, guys.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Can I go for question?
Yes, sure.
Yes.
First question is there.
NABARD stand for
Aggressive
aggressive
mates.
mate.
Rajveer, you have unmute.
Ma'am, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. C.
Okay. See.
Okay, see. Correct answer.
Okay. Next question.
Next question. The logo of Syndicate Bank contains pictures of elephant, lion, dog, puma.
Again,
Ma'am,
aggressive mates.
dog.
Okay.
Syndicate Bank. It is a dog.
Right.
The unbeatable, you have to see the question.
Yes. Next question.
Third question.
After State Bank of India, which of the following bank has the largest number of offices? Punjab National Bank, Bank of India, Andhra Bank.
Unbeatable have raised hand. Varun Raj.
Ma'am, Punjab National Bank.
Let us see.
Let's see. Correct answer.
Right.
Can I move for next question?
Yes.
Fourth question. Aggressive mates have raised. What is the tagline of Life Insurance Corporation Limited?
First one, Yogakshamam Vayam. First
Okay.
one, Yogaksham,
Vahamya.
Yogakshaman Vayam.
Okay.
Vahamyam.
Let's see. The correct answer.
Okay.
Can I move for next question?
So the last question for them, unbeatable and aggressive mates. The term of Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority chairman is
Yes, you can
the
speak.
term
Yes, Varun.
Unbeatable.
Varun.
Varun.
3 years.
Let's see. Wrong answer.
That's the wrong answer.
Okay, you tell now, Rajveer. Though you will not get marks for it, but you can speak
Ma'am,
up.
5 years. It is
Okay.
5 years, ma'am. Regulatory Authority of India. It is 5 years.
This is correct answer.
You knew the right answer, but you were late to raise hand.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so the last group for the day, the Invisible S. Tanya Aman Mittal, Journal Jugglers Eric Lyall, Bhumika Saxena, Batchmates Sparsh Saxena, Sakshi Chaudhary.
Okay.
This is the last round. Last group of round one. Sorry.
First, yes.
Okay. So,
The Invisible, Journal Jugglers, Batchmates S. Tanya Aman Mittal,
Eric Lyall, Bhumika Saxena,
and Batchmates Sparsh Saxena
and
Sakshi
Sakshi
Chaudhary. Are they?
Invisible is there. Invisible is there. Journal jugglers are also there.
And Batchmates.
I'm not able to find batchmates. Batchmates is not there.
I'm not able to find.
But
Person.
Saxena and Sakshi Chaudhary.
Sparsh and Sakshi. Okay, let us check.
Not there, ma'am. I'm not able to find.
Sparsh and Sakshi are not there. So we have got again 2 teams for this group.
The Invisible and Journal Jugglers.
Yeah.
So guys,
You-
be ready.
Akbar, you can show questions.
Okay, fine. Okay, first question.
Universal account number of employees provident fund is a
Journal jugglers.
Eric. Eric.
Yes, I'm
Eric.
unmuting. I'm unmuting him.
Okay, okay.
Yes, you can speak. Eric.
C 12-digit number.
Okay.
Let's see. It's the correct answer.
Okay.
Now, can I move for next question?
Yes.
Recently revised prompt correction action is released by
Invisible.
Aman Mittal.
SEBI.
Let's see. Wrong answer. Its correct answer will be Reserve Bank of India.
Okay, so the third question for the Invisible and Journal Jugglers.
Can I move for next question?
Yes.
The power to decide an election petition is vested in Eric has raised hand.
Election Commission.
Let's see. It's a wrong answer. The correct answer will be High Court. Can I move for next question?
Yes.
I mean fourth question.
Yes. Which was the first non-test playing country to beat India in an international match?
No, none of the
I guess
participants.
they don't.
Okay, so we can maybe pass on this question and let us display the next question to them. Akbar, do we have additional questions here?
Yeah, I have additional question, ma'am.
Okay. Journal Jugglers has raised hand. Are they playing in this group?
Yes.
Okay, I'm unmuting them now.
Zimbabwe. Ma'am, Zimbabwe.
Okay, let's see.
Let's see. Wrong answer. Its correct answer will be Sri Lanka. Okay, can I move for next question?
Yes. Last question.
Who was the first Indian to win the World Amateur Billiard title? Keith Sethi, Wilson John, Michael Ferreira, Manoj Kothari.
Aman Mittal, the Invisible.
Keith Sethi.
Keith Sethi.
A.
Let's see. It's the wrong answer.
Wrong answer. So we have come to an end of the round 1.
The correct answer will be Wilson Johns.
So as our team is calculating the results, let's have audience round also.
Robin ji need to disable the chat for a moment. Robin ji, please enable the chat for a moment by the time we play audience round. So our audience can also respond to the question by responding in chat. Can we play the round? Robin, have you enabled the chat back? Okay, I think yes, chat is enabled now. You can ask questions to audience.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
What is the part of database that holds only one type of information? Report, field, records.
Sanjay has responded B. Let us check if this answer is correct.
Field.
D.
B.
Yes.
Let's see, ma'am. Yeah. Correct answer.
Congratulations, Sanjay. This is a virtual gift
Virtual gift.
our behalf. Okay. Do we have any more questions for audience?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
I have
Okay.
next question.
MOV extension refers usually to what kind of file? Image file, animation file, audio file, MS Office documents.
Okay. Srishti is a team. So though our question is to audience. Shubham Rohtagi is an audience. Yeah. Please check. He has responded D. Akbar, can you check for us?
D.
D.
D. MS Office document.
Yes.
Let's see. It's a wrong answer.
Okay. Priyanka Singh has responded.
Someone can try.
Priyanka Singh has responded B.
B. Yeah. This is correct answer.
So this is the virtual gift.
Congrats, Priyanka. Do we have the result of the first round?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'm again disabling the chat, and audience stay intact because we have one more audience round here. Yes, I have disabled the chat. You can continue with the next round, and you can invite judges here. Pratiksha.
Okay. So firstly, I will announce the result of round 1. Profit players, money mentors, man of genius, the bankers, bank on it, the unbeatable, aggressive mates, and journal jugglers. These 8 teams go to go to round 2. They will be going to round 2. Profit players, money mentors, man of genius, the bankers, bank on it, the unbeatable, aggressive mates, and journal jugglers. So now I would like to invite our esteemed judges, Professor Atul Arora sir and Dr. Arvind Bhatt sir, for the next round.
Now let's start the second round, that is extemporary. 9 number will be displayed on the screen. One team member has to choose a number that contains the topic for the extempore. You can either participate all alone or can participate as a team. The choice is all yours. But you will be getting 2 minutes only to speak on the topic and 10 seconds for read the topic.
So guys, you have a you can either participate all alone, like one participant can speak, or both can speak, like 1 minute. So you have to decide. This is an extemporary round. So now I will be calling the first team, profit players. So who want to give the extemporary? Both will give, or only one member? Profit players. Pinky, Pani, and Gopesh Kumar.
I don't see them in the meeting.
So ma'am, we can move on to the next.
Yes, next move.
Yes,
We can.
ma'am.
So team 2 is money mentors. Money mentors.
Money mentors are there.
We have Asim Zaidi and Rubal Sharma.
Yes.
Asim Zaidi and Rubal Sharma. Ma'am, Pinky have raised her hand.
Pinky is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we
Team
will give-
profit players.
Okay, so first Pinky's team will respond. I am unmuting them. Show them the topic. They will pick up the number.
Pinky and Gopesh, you have to decide that who will be.
Okay, I am unmuting both.
We both will speak.
Gopesh and Pinky. You
Pick
have
up
to
your number.
decide.
Pick up your number. Which number you want to go with?
5.
Gopesh, 1 minute. Which number you want to go with?
Ma'am, 6.
6. Akbar, show which topic is hidden behind number 6.
Let's see, ma'am.
Leader or follower. So you get 10 seconds to think and then 2 minutes to speak.
I guess leaders are more important because they are the one. To a leader, you have to be you should have the charismatic personality and all, because there are n number of leaders. You take the example of Mother Teresa and all, the Ratan Tata and all. So there you should pose a good sound personality in yourself, and you should have the ability to attract the followers to walk on your path. So I guess leaders are more important. And for the continuation part, I would like to call Pinky to throw some light on this topic.
Yes, in our opinion, yes, leaders are more important as we think that yes, leaders are born and not made, and also leaders they lead their team, manage. They have the thinking ability, capability to make their team and follow. And can lead the team in difficult situations. Here we can take the example of Narendra Modi, and he is a leader as he is capable of all the things. His capability of thinking, how in difficult situations he can also think at that time. So we think that yes, leaders are more important. Gopesh.
Ma'am,
I
actually,
think
time
2 minutes are over, I believe.
over. Time is over, ma'am. Actually.
I think there is some problem with the.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
There is some problem.
Now I would like to invite the money mentors.
Okay, can you rectify this, Akbar, or you
Yes.
can remove this?
Yes,
or manually you
I
can.
just I need 2 minutes to rectify it.
Okay, so in the meantime, the manually we can rectify.
Yes,
Okay,
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Akbar, please select the number 3.
Number 3. Right.
Yes. Roses are red. Roses are
black.
Black.
See, should I start, ma'am?
Yes.
See, roses are red and crows are black. In this scenario, we are just seeing that a good person who has a good heart is always a good person, and the crows relate to the black heart person. Like if you have a positive attitude in your life, you will come to in the red scenario. In the roses scenario, if you have a black heart, you just come in a black person, like negativity. You always spread negativity in the scenario, so you will get a black heart. People are saying that people are usually don't like the person who has clothes that are related to the black and the negativity, who spread negativity all the time. People are usually like to spend the time with the person who has a good nature and a good
60 minutes
good
left.
time
60 minutes left.
where they can see that they have a good future and they have a bright future, where they can learn something from them, not on the people who has a black heart, who always spread the negativity in the future in everywhere. People usually do prefer that thing, and the most of the people, you can see the previous time, most of the people are successful who always positive, who always has a positive vibes. If they get something weird, like they have something happen to them, but they will get a positive response from that. They will person success in
seconds
their
left.
life. You can see there are so many examples there, and you can see the so many example of the black person. You can see the terrorists, good in nature by them, they become the terrorist.
Time up.
That
Time up.
everybody
Time up.
hates him. The,
Time up.
Yes. Now I would like to invite the man of genius.
Man of genius. Rishabh Pandey and Akhilesh Yadav.
Please choose a number.
Rishabh Pandey and Akhilesh Yadav. Man of genius.
Ma'am, seven number. Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Seven
Akbar,
number,
please
ma'am.
select the
Okay,
seven
seven
number.
number.
Yes. Effective manager or ethical manager?
So from my point of view, effective management is very important in every field of scenario and or office, because effective manager always lead a team like leader, not only give the responsibility to their co-workers or their staff. First of effective manager take the initiative by themselves and complete the task, and also take and also perform better to give his example how he effectively perform and achieve the targets to their colleagues. So Rishabh.
Yes.
Rishabh.
So I will choose ethical manager, as being a ethical is a very important to give everybody a chance to do everybody a chance to grow and do and complete their responsibilities for the organization. Ethical managers also take all their team members along with them to and also motivate them to grow more and more
60-second left.
and perform the task in a ethical manner. And ethical is also important because it will help the manager to improve their personality and also the image in the eyes of their employees, and help them to grow for
30-second left.
and help them to grow as along with him.
20-second. Second.
So now I would like to invite the bankers.
Shalini Shishodia and Janvi Singh.
Shalini
and Janvi.
Yeah. Shalini has been unmuted. Shalini, you can choose your number.
Ma'am, please unmute me from the bankers.
The banker, okay. Can you speak now?
Ma'am, Janvi want to say something.
Yes,
Please
I'm
unmute.
unmuted.
5.
Yes, she has been unmuted.
Janvi and Shalini, the bankers.
I'm 5.
5, okay.
Okay, 5.
Janvi will speak. Janvi, your mic is unmuted or not? Let me just check.
1 second.
Ma'am, unmute her, Janvi.
The bankers, okay. 1 second, please. She is unmuted. The banker is unmuted.
Ma'am, Janvi is not muted.
Okay, 1 second.
Okay, Janvi unmuted.
Yes.
Okay, can I go for 5 numbers, right?
Yes, Akbar.
Okay.
So the topic is freedom is a myth.
You have 10 seconds to think about the topic. Okay, time start.
Time starts.
So I don't think that freedom is a myth. Freedom is definitely a person's perspective. Like someone could be very free, and that person could be in a situation that he would not feel that he is free. So it's not like that freedom is a myth. Freedom also depends on the person to person, and also depends on the perspective of another person. For me, something is freedom, for the other person that couldn't be freedom. For me, education, my parents giving me education, my parents allowing me to go out of the city and studying. For someone it is the just the right, or it's not the freedom. Like many a times we see that somewhere in the other country or somewhere, like people are not allowed for certain things. So for them freedom is a myth, but for the other person who is allowed for education and other things, freedom is not a myth. So I don't think so that freedom is a myth. I believe that freedom is a talking about freedom, so it depends on person to person perspective. Like someone could feel that he is free, and someone could feel that he is not free. So it's definitely not a myth. And moreover, that India has gained its independence. India has been free from so many years. So
True enough, Janvi. So adding on to
taking these
Janvi's point, what I feel is we are free, we are too free as compared to our ancestors. As Janvi was talking about the freedom, if freedom was a myth at that time, then we wouldn't be living the life that we are living right now. If I talk about the scenario before the freedom of India, then we were the slave of other country. But right now our country is free. Thank you.
You have 20 seconds.
Oh. Okay. If I talk about the comparison, so before the freedom we were slave, we used to be slave. Now right now our country is free to make their decisions, free to make their law. So we can't say that freedom is a myth. Freedom is reality. That's all.
Time up.
Okay. So the next team is Bank on It. Shrishti Gupta and Minakshi. Bank on It. Shrishti Gupta and Minakshi.
They have been unmuted.
choose number 2.
Number 2.
Security cameras keep us safer.
Start.
Yeah, it's fact the security camera it's keep us safer, because for if we talk about girls, for them it is a very good thing, because nowadays people used to take so the cameras is usually it's usually used for monitoring and recording of videos through installing surveilling cameras, like security cameras gives advantage to girls, that it gives securities also from getting to get relief from crimes which are having day to day. These security cameras should be installed in all the cities and in all the colonies and house also, because it helps to prevent us from robbers as well, and the camera helps stop a crime. I would like Meenakshi to say.
40 seconds left.
I'm adding to some points of Srishti's top points. So security cameras help stop a crime. That is not an opinion. It is a fact. And surveillance cameras have many benefits. Distinct benefit is that the police can catch criminals in the act, thus decreasing crime. This will make the streets safer for people. A more important point is that criminals, specifically young offenders or petty criminals, will be deterred. They will not be provoked to carry out crimes, and hence society will be a lot safer. However, CCTV system.
Time up. Time up.
Thank you.
Okay, so the next team is the unbeatable Varun Raj, Sandesh Vinay. The unbeatable Varun Raj and Sandesh Vinay.
Pratiksha, Sandesh got disconnected.
But he is not in the waiting room as well. Somehow I have unmuted the other team member. You can speak,
Okay.
Varun. Yes, you can pick up your number.
Ma'am, 8.
8. Happy versus successful.
Yes.
Now start.
So good afternoon, everyone. The topic is happy versus success. Happy means we can say that when we feel happy, the positive vibes, the positive things comes in our mind, and we feel relaxed, we feel calm, we don't have any problems. We didn't think about the failures. We didn't think about the things which can't be happen in the wrong way. And the success is directly proportional to the happy. When we get happy, when we get positive, then we definitely get success. If I talk about the persons who are just making it who are have problems of there's many things like their families problems, others problems, education problems, anything else, they are not happy. So they are not happy, and the positive things in their sorry, in their mind is not good, and their mentality is also not good when they are not happy. So it can't be success without the happy. So next
50 seconds left.
So Pratiksha, you can invite the next team.
Okay, ma'am. Aggressive mates Rajveer Singh and Neha Pandey.
Rajveer has been unmuted.
Neha Pandey.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I'll go with number 1.
Number 1.
Famous versus important.
Can I start?
Yes.
Start.
So, ma'am, one can be famous and important simultaneously, and the basic difference is that an important person doing great thing surely gets fame, but one can be famous good way or bad way, and without being important for the society. So, which of the two holds more significance in life is more related to perceptions. When we start discussing the topic, like if we go with the being famous, so the state of mind known by people, you can be famous just for being famous without having talent or genuine motive. Fame seductively promises people that it can fulfill some true longing that it never can, such as need to matter to other people and to have power and meaning. So fame can be doesn't always put you in good light. Being known to people doesn't always earn you power and respect. And being famous is not always the way of being hunky dory, or it seems to be like it. However, the best way for you to carry a message to an audience or to a particular audience, and the celebrity gets more fame. But how important he or she is for the society depends upon his or her deeds. And being important, like we all wanted to be noticed and to be heard and to be respected and to be. Ma'am, am I mute or
Yes,
unmute?
yes, you're very much audible.
20 seconds left.
Okay, so okay. So to be respected and to be likely in the pursuit, importance and recognition. So an important person is the asset for the society, a particular society, and the important person does good things. You can take examples of Ratan Tata, how his Tata in ample amount of time, and an important person becomes famous while doing good things. This is the biggest
Time up,
example of this
Rajni, time
particular
up.
thing. And
Okay. Do we have next team, Pratiksha?
Yes, ma'am. I'm journal jugglers. Eric Layal and Bhumika Saxena, the last team for round 2. Bhumika Saxena and Eric Layal.
Okay, so I'll go with number 8.
Number 8.
This topic.
Number 8 already have taken. Choose any.
Okay, so number 4. Number 4.
Number.
Small class are better than big class.
So yes, I think that small classes are better than bigger class because there is a difference between quantity and quality. So if we have a smaller classrooms, we can understand that the batch will be smaller and there will be a better quality of education, as teachers don't have to be do so much hustle in managing the students, as we know that students are tend to be very ruggish during classes sometimes. So in big classrooms, most of the time the thing that happen is that the teachers spend most of their time in maintaining the decorum, and it is very much difficult for them too, and it also breaks the link, as well as there are some of the notorious elements and distracted elements in every classroom. So if these classes are small, the batch size is small, it will be more helpful in managing those elements too. And if we talk about the other aspects of from the side of the students, so in small classes, students are more comfortable in speaking their minds and asking their doubts, as some of these students are very much shy and have the hesitation in speaking their minds and expressing their thoughts in front of the large crowd. So small classes also helps them in managing their stress and public speaking fear, as well as if we talk about the course curriculum which is maintained there, in the colleges or in other institution as well. So if we talk about the small classes, teachers know that which of his or her student is lacking somewhere, and they can focus on that part as well, and the course can be
Time
good.
up, time up, time up.
Okay.
Okay, so now we are done with round 2. So as a team member is calculating the results, let's have audience round. Sunny, you can ask the audience question.
Okay. Chat is enabled.
Can I go for audience round?
Yes.
Yes. The famous Dilwara temple are situated in Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh.
A. Option A. Srishti is saying option A.
Let's see. Wrong answer.
Second one, the banker Sanjay is saying D.
Sanjay.
D. It is also wrong answer.
Priyanka is saying A.
E already have taken. Wrong answer.
A and B. Next question.
Sanjay is now saying B. D.
B. It's a correct answer.
Okay. Okay,
So
Sanjay.
the virtual gift for Sanjay.
Yeah.
Wadia Institute of Himalayan Geology is located at Delhi, Shimla, Dehradun, Jammu and Kashmir.
Priyanka.
D.
D.
Sorry, A. Priyanka Singh say A.
Okay. Let's see. Wrong answer.
Then
Someone want to try?
Sanjay Kumar B.
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 Simla. Wrong answer.
Then again, Priyanka Singh said.
Then they are.
A, B, C, D.
We can
Next
cancel this question
Yes,
in that case.
C.
Next question.
It's the correct answer. C.
Okay.
When it's round 2.
Scores are there with you, Pratiksha?
No, ma'am. I'm not yet.
1 second, I'll arrange that.
Akbar, till then we can show them the Evolve magazine.
Yeah, you can. Yeah, you can.
It will take 2 more minutes to get the scores. Yes. So we will be moving ahead towards the last round. And for that, Pratiksha will be finalizing how many teams?
16.
Okay, 6 teams will go to final round. Just in a moment, we will get results from the judges. Yes.
Akbar, you're having the current volume, like issue 2.
This is the volume
You
1,
having-
issue 1. We also have issue 2. But
yes, you can open that.
but in this PC,
Okay, so in this volume 1 and issue 1, the article are given by Akbar Alam and next slide. And the gamers are
The financial terms were contributed by the club members. This is Akbar, Shivangi, Nee Pratiksha, Chandni, Sanjay, Shubham, Yogita, and Diksha.
and there will be also a game and
The winners were in this game. Winners were Rajveer and Rakesh and Palki Gupta.
let's see. I think I have.
For this edition, we are still accepting the responses. In this edition also, we have incorporated a game again. So the acceptance is still on for receiving the responses, and it will be open till Monday. And the winners of last edition
Yeah, I
will
have
be getting
October
their
magazine.
certificates. Yes, the winners of last edition will be getting their certificates by Monday. Right. I think Pratiksha, have got the results?
No, ma'am,
Has
not
been
yet.
shared? Okay, wait a minute, let me check.
Okay, it's a current, it's a issue too.
Yes, this is the current magazine.
Yes.
So in this magazine, the article is contributed by Mohit Gupta of Section C, and the Sudoku game winners were Rajveer,
Love.
Sakshi, Rakesh. So we have got various articles, and in which Mohit's article was selected. And now this is the current game for which entries are open till Monday evening. So you have to draw this crossword, and then you have to submit the response. There's a hyperlink below. Now these are the banking related terms in which we have worked, all the club members. Okay, so now we have the results for the third round.
Yeah, so the shortlisting teams are the Profit Player, Money Mentors, the Bankers, Bank on It, Aggressive Net.
And one more. Journal Jugglers. also.
Journal Jugglers.
So 6 teams are there. I'm repeating. Profit Players, Pinky Pani Gopesh Kumar, Money Mentors, Asim and Rubal, the Bankers, Janvi Shalini, Bank on It, Shrishti Meenakshi, Aggressive Mates, Rajveer and Neha, and Journal Jugglers, Eric and Bhumika. These 6 teams are there. Okay, so now let's start the third round. It is a jumbled sentences. Like you will be getting jumbled sentences. It can be anything. It can be the name of the company, bank, anything. You have to unjumble that, and you have to raise your hand. So whosoever will be raising hand first will get the chance. And you will be getting 30 seconds only. So in this also, we have divided 6 teams into 2 groups consisting of 3 teams each. So for group 1, we have Profit Players, Money Mentors, the Bankers. These 3 teams have to be ready. Profit Players, Pinky Pani Gopesh Kumar, Money Mentors, Asim Zaidi, Rubal Sharma, the Bankers, Janvi Singh and Shalini Shishodia. So you guys have to be ready. I repeat again, Profit Players, Money Mentors, the Bankers. They are in the group 1. Akbar, you can start the quiz.
Okay, fine. Can I go for question?
Yes.
You have to raise your hand. Profit Players, Money Mentors and the Bankers. Profit Players, Money Mentors, the Bankers.
No one has.
Money
yes,
Mentors raised their.
Yes, Money Mentors has raised. Rubal Sharma.
You are unmuted, Rubal.
Rubal. You have to speak.
Housing Bank.
Pardon? Rubal, can you speak? Can you repeat again?
Rubal, you have to speak. Money Mentors.
From Housing Bank. I don't know the first word.
So that's not the right response.
Yes, this, you will get 0 in this.
Okay, so Samad Ali is okay. So we are not passing on this question, right?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
You're not passing the
Okay.
question.
0.
So
Next.
0 for this question.
Right answer is National Housing Bank.
Okay.
Yes. Again, the question will appear. Profit players, money mentors in the. So be ready.
Show the question, Akbar. No,
This is the correct answer for the first question.
Move on to the next question, Akbar. Yes, bankers.
Bankers, Janvi.
You have been unmuted.
I'm Oriental Bank of Commerce.
Okay. Yes, this is the
correct answer.
Participant, please unraise your hand.
Yeah, sure.
You have to unraise
Okay.
your hand.
This is the
Bhupesh, you have to
correct
unraise
answer.
your hand. Yes.
Move to the next, Akbar.
Profit players, money mentors, the bankers. You have to raise your hand. Profit players, money mentors, the bankers.
Yes.
The banker raised their hand.
Okay, you have been
Salary.
unmuted.
Salary.
Okay. Let us see.
Correct answer.
Okay. Move to next, Akbar. Yes, raise your hand. Okay.
The banker raised their hand.
Unmuted. You are unmuted.
Malaysia. Malaysia. Ma'am, I'm audible.
Yes, yes. Malaysia.
Spell is correct.
Malaysia country.
Yeah,
Okay.
just check out his spelling.
MALAY SIA. Huh.
Correct answer.
Okay. So this is the last question for group 1, round 3.
Yes.
Okay. Bring it fast. Yes.
Money
Okay.
mentors.
Yes, money mentors are being unmuted. Yes.
Ma'am, London.
London.
Correct
Here,
answer.
yeah, here you get your marks.
So now we move on to group 2. Group 2. In group 2, we have bank on it, aggressive mates, and journal jugglers. Bank on it, Shrishti Gupta Meenakshi, and aggressive mates, Rajveer and Neha. Journal jugglers, Eric and Bhumika. These 3 teams for the group 2. For group 2.
Show questions, Akbar.
Just a moment. Can I go for question, ma'am?
Yes.
Yeah, sure.
Bank on it, aggressive mates, and journal jugglers.
Raise your hand.
Aggressive mates.
Bolo. Rajveer, yes, speak up.
Ma'am, Hindustan Petroleum. अकबर लिखो. Petroleum.
Should have been ready with your response.
Petroleum.
Ma'am, Corporation Limited. Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited. For time.
Let's see.
Done.
Correct answer, ma'am.
Next question.
Guys, you have to raise your hand.
Okay.
Eric has raised first. Eric.
Eric, you have been unmuted. Eric, you have been unmuted.
Yes,
Speak up.
ma'am.
You should have been ready with your response, then raise hand.
Oil and Natural Gas Corporation.
Okay. Akbar, you please type.
Ma'am, we have
all-
30 seconds to answer, na?
Okay.
You have to spell it also.
Natural gas. Okay.
The spelling.
Yes, you have to tell the spelling also.
Okay.
Okay. Next time I will tell the spelling.
Okay, now unraise your hand.
Spell is correct.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
This
Move
is the
on to the
correct
next.
answer.
So we are left with few questions now.
Meenakshi has
Okay,
raised.
Meenakshi.
Arey,
I'm unmuting you, Meenakshi. Yes, Meenakshi. 1 second. Wait.
yeah, my walls.
No, Meenakshi rose her hand first. I'm trying to unmute her. There's some issue in unmuting her.
Ma'am, you can unmute Shrishti also because
Shrishti is her
she
teammate?
belongs.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Yes, Srishti, you can speak on behalf of your group. I'm trying to unmute Meenakshi also. We are not getting your voice. So we can cancel this question. We can cancel this question.
Ma'am, we don't have additional question.
Okay, so we can do rating on the basis of 4 questions only. We'll put 4 questions in this round.
Second, somebody else is raising hand.
Yeah.
Eric.
Maybe it can be given to second.
Eric is there.
Journal jugglers.
Journal jugglers.
Kabul.
Kabul. Okay.
Spelling.
KABUL.
Correct answer.
Okay.
This is the last one.
Right.
No, we have 2 questions.
Okay, we have 2 more questions. Journal jugglers, I think, raise hand first.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will unmute him. You are unmuted. Eric, you can speak.
Brazil. Brazil.
So you and okay. Yeah.
Correct answer.
Okay, so first you have to unraise your hand. Unraise your hand.
I'm lowering down. Unraise before the next. Yeah.
Bank on it.
Rajveer.
Raise. Yes, Rajveer.
Rajveer.
कर रहा है
Yes,
मैम
Rajveer.
इट्स बेली मैम
Okay.
पिछले 2 भी उठा रहे थे मैम इट्स बेली BELLY
B. Double L.
BELLY
Spelling check कर लो.
हाँ?
done
Correct answer, ma'am.
Okay.
Next.
That's it.
Yes.
Okay. So. Yes.
Let's wait for the results.
Yes.
This will be giving us the winners. Results are being compiled. It's almost done. So yes, you can all turn on your camera so we can have a group photograph by the time we get the results ready. Eric, you want to say something? I'm unmuting you. Yes.
Ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am, it's the last round, na?
It was the last round. Yes.
Okay,
It's
okay, ma'am. Okay,
Yes, it is over. We had planned 3 rounds.
okay, ma'am. Okay,
And
thank you.
Yes. So you can all turn on your camera. Our coordinators would like to take a group photograph with you all. Yogita, yes, Yogita is busy somewhere. Ankita, Swati, Shubham, Robbins, everybody, if Team Profit players, where are you?
Yeah, at least the participants must be there.
Yeah. Okay. Yes, so one more moment and your results are going to be out. Everybody, each one of you will get a certificate for participation, and winners are definitely going to get the certificate for excellence. Right? So hold your heart. Anybody would like to share your experience? Participants, judges, Arvind sir, you would like to say something? Yeah, I will unmute you.
And now
Sir has been unmuted.
Yes.
I believe that you got the result now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
But I was so involved in the activities, the way you designed it, really it is very appreciable. Starting from very first round, you are just asking the number, then the related things. So fairness is there. And really I was involved till now. The way you organize it, I really want to congratulate all the coordinators and the staff. And things are very much clear cut, and there is no, you can say there is no question of biasness here. So really, I congratulate you all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Tani, you
So,
can.
yeah. So as our result is here. Success is not determined by the outcome. The outcome is the result of having already decided that you are successful to begin with. With these words, I would like to request our faculty judges to announce the result for today's event.
Pratiksha, you can speak up on.
So at third position, we have journal jugglers.
Okay.
We can have virtual claps.
Yes, sure.
Journal jugglers, Eric Layal and Bhumika Saxena at third position. At second position, we have aggressive mates, Rajveer Singh Parihar and Neha Pandey.
And
at
for first, any guesses?
It is the bankers, Janvi Singh and Shalini Shishodia.
Okay.
Congratulations to all the winners and the participants.
Right.
Can I say something?
Yeah, sure.
Ma'am, actually, I want to thank your team. It was too fair, and it was not customized just for the finance student. That was the amazing part, because in the beginning I was scared that I'm not a finance student and will they ask the typically finance question or not. So it was the best part. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, team.
So I would like to request Dr. Anand to propose vote of thanks. Please, sir.
Okay, great. So it was really amazing quiz competition you guys were able to organize on this day, and particularly for second year, I can see really the kind of enthusiasm which you people shown in participating. Particularly, I mean, almost 18, 19 teams came to participate in the first round, and thereafter, of course, we had 3 rounds. So it was really a great experience from Finance Club, we can see. So on behalf of this finance club, first of all, of course, as a customary, I would like to thank our Vice Chairman, Shri Pankaj Agrawal ji, and of course the Director, sir, who has given this platform to organize. And of course, in that process, since it is all student-driven activity, and you all have very smartly organized this event. So of course, kudos to you all student coordinators also at the same time. That you have been able to done it a very great job. So thank you to you all student coordinators of Finance Club, and of course special thanks to our judges, Dr. Arvind and Professor Atul Arora, who were there throughout in this event. I can see from last two hours almost they were there with this event. So it was really quite appreciable that you have spent your time from your busy schedule and judge the event with a great sense of fairness. So of course, thank you so much for that. And yeah, I mean the other faculty members and staff who were there throughout, and I mean all the winners, particularly many congratulations to you guys, and of course all the other participants who have participated, but because of course some because it's a game of win or lose. So somebody has to get some first, second, third position. Although I do not advocate this. Everybody is a winner. The moment you decided to participate in any event, you people are the winners for me. So unlike of course, but yes, first, second, third participants are the special appreciation for them, and good wishes to them. And those who could not make it to that list, first, second, third, of course, next time we can see some more new faces will take part, and will make this new list for this finance club. Thank you so much for being there with us. Great. So yes, I think the winners are there. The certificates, of course, I think the virtual certificates, I believe we'll share with you on your email ID very soon. And yeah, any other thing? I mean, of course, would like to hear from the of course amazing comparers also. The last concluding remarks from Pratiksha and Chandni. They have done really wonderful job. And of course, Akbar, amazing PPT slides, and all created a beautiful tech background for this finance quiz. So yeah, any last concluding remarks from Pratiksha?
So no remarks from my side. It was all good.
I'm
Great
sure you must.
Thank you for giving us this opportunity that in this virtual world we are organizing this kind of stuff, and everyone enjoy this platform, and they are also excited to do so. Thank you.
And my special thanks to Robin G also. I mean, I can see right from start till end, he was there. He's a very busy person, of course. An entire IT infrastructure is looking after, and he could spare almost 2 hours with us. So special thanks to him. And Suchita ma'am is always there for all of us. We can see a smiling face. So great ma'am. Thank you very much.
Okay. Great. It was a great experience with you all. Though it was my first activity here in this organization, but yes, you all were very supportive, very creative, and I look forward for many more creative events with your presence. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.